The brain that obeyed the harmful story can be taught to obey a different one, not through wishful thinking, but by deliberate, repeated signal construction. So where do you start? First, you're going to audit your expectation loop. For the next 7 days, catch the first sentence you tell yourself when something goes wrong. You're gonna write it down. You're not gonna judge it, you're just going to observe it. You cannot rewrite code that you haven't read yet. Second, you're going to build a signal ritual. Choose 3 physical actions you will do before any high performance state. Now, it doesn't matter what the ritual is, what does matter is the repetition until it becomes a neurological switch. Third, change the prescription. The words we tell ourselves are very powerful and our brain will believe it, especially with evidence. So instead of saying, I always fail, just tell yourself you're adapting, right? Instead of saying I'm broken, just say, I haven't found it yet. Talk to yourself like you're talking to a loved one, someone you really care about. You're not gonna downplay them. You're not gonna talk to them like shit, right? So don't talk to yourself like shit. Now remember, these aren't just affirmations. These are competing hypotheses, and your brain will run the experiment on whichever you repeat with the most frequency and conviction.